right before getting into the park. I really like the fall.
The iconic beauty of Yellowstone National Park.
These aspens and these shrubs.
America's first national park is part of Josh Watson's area.
They turn colors. I really like that. I work for Montana Department of Transportation, the Bozeman Division traffic signal.
Josh loves what he does, but isn't always a fan of what can be a treacherous drive from his office in Bozeman to West Yellowstone.
White crosses that you see when you are in the state, and that is fatalities. But from Big Sky to Gateway, there's like 50 to 60 of them. I've had some close calls, but that's what we as signal guys deal with is, bad roads.
Josh is responsible for critical intersections leading into and out of the park's west gate. The busiest gate, with about 1.5 million visitors every year.
When you have an extreme temperature swing from 55 degrees today down to 0 or below 0 in less than 24 hours, once that snow's in those camera well, it won't melt, and it could potentially be there all winter.
MDT previously used cameras at these intersections and enjoyed the real-time view, but started having problems with vehicle detection, and when that happens, the traffic backs up.
Me being the closest guy before my position was Helena, so that's 4 hours almost. They'd have to drive just to determine that it was fog or nothing.
Yep, a 2 to 4 hour drive for maybe no reason, or simply fog.
Fog is terrible because it just doesn't pick up anything.
Where cameras struggle at intersections is with Yellowstone's greatest asset, what shaped it over thousands of years: nature. Rain, snow, fog, glare from the sun, even wildfires can cause problems with cameras.
So they wanted to go with something that was more reliable and something they'd used in other parts of the state already. So we upgraded them to the Wavetronix radar detection, the Matrix for stop bars.
Wavetronix radar sees through the fog. The rain, the sun's glare isn't a problem. And the snow?
I've never ever once seen snow. I've seen it a couple times build up on it, but it does not affect the detection like where cameras, if it builds up in there, it's placing a call when no one's there, or it just won't call depending.
I love it. I love it. I mean, when people ask me, gee, does Wavetronix really work? I can say, go to the west gates of Yellowstone. You'll see us. Why would they use us if we didn't work? We are it.
1 million vehicles have to go through these signals to get into the park, so it's made a big difference.
Not only is MDT saving money on costly maintenance and getting tourists through the intersections, but it's cutting down on the number of times Josh takes a dangerous drive through this beautiful but rugged area.
Anything that can be prevented that keeps you from having to drive on bad roads is a win, in my opinion. Yeah, radar has been amazing. So this has really helped big time. Yeah, I get a lot of windshield time.